We're back. 944. Got the relays. So hopefully today is the day we'll get it running properly. Idling, get up to temperature. We'll fill it with water, so make sure all the cooling system works. Fans come on, pumps not seized, all that good stuff. And then if that's all good to go, then we'll drain the coolant out, drain the water out, actually fill it with coolant. And then we've just got brakes to do, brakes and clutch, and then it's MOT time. So, see what we get done today. Angry Pixie Spaghetti has been rewired. That's the old Ujima flip for the fuel pump. That's the new one. Just linked it in and used the ignition live and ground to start the fuel pump coil, and then run the power through the fuse. So, in theory, this should work. I've just got to wire it up, put the battery in, and then see if we have fuel. Right, go on then. Flick the ignition on. We have fuel pressure. Start it. Nothing?
Nothing.
Oh. Start the motor. I can smell fuel though. I don't know if that's a good sign or not.
Mine just shit themselves.
Go on then. Hold it there.
She wants to.
Yeah, she just needs a bit of boom juice.
Wow.
I'll tell you what, we'll put a jump pack on it so it spins a bit faster. Because it's a little bit undersized for battery for required.
Yeah.
Especially now it's running a fuel pump.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, don't touch the throttle.
Will not touch the throttle.
Alright, go on then.
Put its family away.
Yeah. Turn it off. I don't think we have spark now. Well, I made a slight oversight, didn't I? Because, you know, I'm not actually a mechanic. But this, where is it? This one here was also in the relay, which turns out this is the power for the ignition that comes out the fuel relay. So I've got to get this cable into this cable, and then it'll run. So I'll just do that quick, and then we'll fire the boy up. I've modified my wiring, so it should now work. So get Mitchell to give it a flick on the key, and away we go. Go on then. Don't need jump start. Go on. Turn it off.
I mean, my fuel gauge isn't working, but that's...
There's fucking 10 litres of fuel in it.
That was more than that.
We put 2 jerry cans in it,
Oh.
which was 5 litres each. Actual fact, I don't even think one of them was full because it was out of my garage. Although it was 99, it was like.
No, we filled 2 up.
Did we get 2?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we filled 2 up. Yeah, because we went to the garage, didn't we? I remember now. Right.
What now?
It lives. Put some coolant in it. Let it get up to temperature. Hopefully it doesn't blow any hoses. And that the fan comes on, because it's an electric fan, I believe, yeah. So I want the fan to come on. The thermostats are open. And there's Jubilee clips missing, so I'll check the van, see if I've got any of them that'll fit. And then, yeah. If that's sorted and it comes up temperature, doesn't overheat, we've just got to put brake fluid, clutch fluid, drain that back off and put coolant in it, rather than just tap water, because it's pointless putting coolant in it, and then there's a fucking leak somewhere. Find out that the actual water pump housing's fucked and is pissing off water everywhere. Alright, sweet. So we put coolant in it, well we'll put tap water in it, just to make sure there's no leaks, get up temperature, see the cooling system works. So we're just running it around now, going to bleed the system. Just running some more water to top it up some more. So we've got the bleed nipple off on the top of the thermostat housing, and the tank's open in a minute just to get any air out of it. Oh, the fucking coolant fucking link hose here is missing 2 clamps on it.
There's 1 clamp.
One there, yeah, no, there's one there. A little leak. The coolant crossover pipe. Didn't realise that was missing a clamp down the bottom there, and then that one was loose, so it started pissing out there when it got near temperature. So we've just put a new clamp on it and done the one up that was on there. So started back up, so we can get up to temperature. The fan was a bit stiff as well, which I'm a tad worried about. It does move, but it's not. So hopefully that starts. If not, new fan. Right, so got to temperature, then boiled over because the fan won't come on. Now the fan relay is that very crusty boy there. We couldn't get out, it was just pulling it apart. So I just fucking wired it into another one of these, which is that one there. This will all get tidied up at some point, I imagine, maybe. Put a new fuse in for it, then got voltage to the core, but obviously this is bollocks, so put a new one in. Now, next problem we got, it's run out of fuel. So that's it, game over. Get some fuel and see if we can actually get it running, but I don't know if the fan's any good. So, but now we've got voltage going to it. We'll find out. I have to check the plug on the fan for voltage. If it's got voltage and isn't spinning, the fan's fucked. So a new fan. But till next time, boys and girls,